I so want to snack. It's not a lot of time that's happening that I want to really snack something, but today is very rainy, very windy and very cold, and I would love to just watch a Disney movie on the late afternoon with the kids, have some dip sauce and some snack, and just have a nice family cozy time. But anytime I go out to try to buy something pre-made, pre-packaged, and even though they are low carb, no sugar added, usually there is a lot of soy added, and I find that if I eat those products, my insulin resistance just gets worse and I crave more stuff. So I don't think that's healthy. When you buy soy product, make sure you buy fermented one. That's totally fine. And today we're gonna make a keto cracker, homemade keto cracker. It's super simple, I promise. It takes about 15 minutes to make it from start to end. And then we're gonna make some dip to it, probably guacamole today, because this is what I feel up to. So that's the recipe. It's an awesome cracker. And if you're new to my channel, I do videos just like this one and tips on keto and intermittent fasting, and I share my weight loss journey. I am a certified keto health coach, so if you need one-on-one help, tailor-made help, then send me a message, email me, go to our website, and I am very happy to help you. If you like what you see, hit the red subscribe button here and the bell over there, yes, and you will not miss any of my videos. And now really let's get started. First things first, preheat your oven for 150 Celsius, and now we will make the dough. You will need for the dough mozzarella cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, and another type of cheese, the choice of yours. It could be any type of cheese you like. You need a bowl and 100 gram of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of Philadelphia cream cheese, 100 gram of shredded cheese. Now you add your 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Here is one, here is the second. Be generous. And now we will pop this into the microwave for about 1 minute until they melt together. Okay, good, this is how it looks, and now we will mix this together. Just keep mixing it together until it's becoming one cheesy mixture. Okay, good, that's pretty good. And now we will add 50 gram of almond flour, like this, and just keep mixing this together. If you want, you can add bacon to this or some other spices you like, but for now I am just gonna keep it flavorless or cheesy with guacamole. Okay, this is done, and now you need a baking sheet. And put your dough on this baking sheet like this. You need another baking sheet and just press it down with your hands, and then we will make a rectangle. I think it's the best if it's as flat as possible, so it gets crispy, like really crispy. But if you like it when it's a bit like fluffier, then just keep it that way. Good, you take off the top layer, and I'm going to place it into my tray, as you can see. And then what you do, you just put your dough over here. I'm just gonna lift this baby up and slide it over here. Very good. There will be a little bit bigger pieces or fluffier pieces like on the sides here, but it's still awesome with guacamole when it's a bit crunchy. And now this goes into the oven on 150 Celsius for about 12 minutes. You can just put it in the middle somewhere, close it, and set up your alarm for 12 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna get the guacamole done. It's super easy and quick to make, and you only need a hand mixer to do it. Okay, so ingredients: Celtic sea salt, black pepper, garlic, 2 avocados, lemon juice, and a little bit of red onion. And now we're gonna mix everything together into this black ball. Okay guys, for some reason the video did not record, but what happened, I added 1 garlic clove to the avocado. I pressed it with my presser. I cut up 1/4 of a red onion into squares. It's in it a pinch of sea salt and a hint of black pepper, and also a hint of lemon juice, what is unsweetened. And now we will mix this together with my hand mixer. It tastes very yummy. I am just gonna add a little bit more salt to this. I like it when it's a bit more salty. Perfect. And I just put some into this fancier little pot. And I will cut some onion squares on top to make it look really good. And here you go, that's your guacamole to our snacks. Okay, so our cracker is done. Now we will take it out of the oven and let it cool down. Okay, it's still very hot. We will wait until it fully cools down and it will harden. So we will slice it up into small crackers. Alright, this is pretty cool down now and we are gonna slice it up. And it's totally up to you how you do it. I probably make some different shapes. We'll do some rectangles and triangles and different shapes. Here you go, they are quite cute. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. I made a salsa sauce as well. And here is the guacamole we made together. And here is the keto snacks or crackers. They look really delicious. And you can just dip them in here. It's super mega delicious. It's perfect with kids and they just don't get any junk. It's a clean snack. I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.